Hey, what's up? It's your girl Deja, aka Deja Vu, and I'm back again with another super dope, amazing video. So for today's video, as you all can already tell by the title, as you all can see by this look and by the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this lovely look on my hair. If you guys want to see how I did this look, transitioned from it being just a natural hair look to it actually being braided extensions, keep watching, like, share, and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another missing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, cat, your dog, your another drill. Share my videos with everybody love. Sarah Girl Deja Vu, me, myself, and I can be popping. I love y'all so much, and let's get right into it. I'm going to attempt to braid my hair with this little bit of hair. I know it looks like a little bit, but trust me, a little bit goes a long way. So let's see how this works out. So I honestly feel like I did these parts way too big for this hairstyle, but that's okay because in the end it looks really full and really cute and you can't even tell anyway, so ignore that. I'm putting a little bit of jam and beeswax on my hair just to hold it together because I wasn't taking it down to redo the braids, so I just wanted to put some holding stuff on my hair so that it'll look neat and fresh without redoing the braid. And I just braided this into my hair regularly, so I just put the, you know, the two strands of braiding hair on there and then braid all the way down. I did this all over my head. Really cute, simple, easy style to do. It didn't take that long for me to do, so I feel like I do this style again. But honestly, I really wish I did the parts differently because as you all can see, that back is looking a little bit iffy, but stay tuned for the process because I promise it's gonna look dope in the ending.
Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. That make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me, would you see what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, and then make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love.
Y'all think I got enough hair to finish? And this is what I got left. Praise God, my sister coming to get her hair done tomorrow, so whatever hair she don't use, I'm gonna use if it's not enough. But I got this to do. I was deciding on if I wanted to redo the front, but they still look fairly new, so I'm probably just gonna not redo the front and leave it how it is. Maybe I'll redo these two and then my edges, of course, when I'm done. Listen, I only wore this ponytail for a day. I'm about to improvise and use this because it's still good hair. It's just in a pony, so I just have to take it out. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like
you there? Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come closer with you. Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having this place on it. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on it. Take you there, I'll take you there.
I'm almost done with my hair, and I ended up having enough hair to do my whole entire head. So as you all saw by these two braids, the first one I feed it in, the second one I just attach it, and the third one I feed it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed in the rest of these braids, and I'll be back once I'm finished. I'm so glad that I had enough hair to use because I didn't want to have a half done hairstyle or whatever. But I'm gonna finish this hairstyle, and then I'll be back with the completed look. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, enjoy this tutorial, and if you try it out, let me know. I love y'all so much. We on the road to 1K. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another amazing video. Watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog, another joy, share my videos with everybody you love. Sir, girl, Deja Vu, me, myself, and I can be popping. Hey guys, so this is the final hairstyle, the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog, another joy, share my videos with everybody you love. Sir, girl, Deja Vu, me, myself, and I can be popping. I love this hairstyle so much. It came out really, really cute, really nice, really simple. I curled the ends like this, and I just love when my ends are curly because it gives it a little bit more of a, how do you say, it gives it a little razzle dazzle. It adds a little razzle dazzle to a really basic, simple hairstyle. So that's why I added the curls, as you all can see. And I literally, as y'all saw throughout the tutorial, I literally did this from having my regular hair this way, but I wanted a little bit more length. I wanted you know, just for it to last a little bit longer. So I did this hairstyle. I love it so much. It's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you try it out, tell me that y'all tried it out. Show me pics. Show me what it's looking like. Tell me if this tutorial was a success or if you guys learned something from the video, of course. So comment all that below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, because I know you're gonna like it. Do that because it really, really helps. We on the road to 1K, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do all that jazz. Y'all already know. We trying to get monetized, so support your girl, share what everybody love, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will definitely see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.